Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about applications of valence bond theory. Let us consider tetracarbonyl nickel 0. It is a coordination compound in which Ni is a central metal atom, CO is a ligand, number 4 is a coordination number. Central metal atom is Ni, that is nickel. We know that net charge on the complex is equal to oxidation number of central atom plus number of ligand into charge on ligand. By using this formula, we can find out the oxidation number of the central atom in a given coordination number. In this complex, net charge is 0 is equal to oxidation number of central atom in this compound is unknown. So, it is taken as X plus number of ligand in this compound is 4 into charge on the ligand in this case is 0, since carbonyl is a neutral ligand. 0 is equal to X plus 0, therefore X is equal to 0. Here 0 represents the oxidation number of the nickel atom. We know that outer electronic configuration of any elements belong to D block is n minus 1 d to the power 1 to 10 dot ns2. Here 1 to 10 and 2 represent number of electrons. D and S represent orbitals. N represents principal quantum number of outer cell. N represents principal quantum number of outer cell or outermost cell. Let us consider nickel atom whose atomic number is 28. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. We can rearrange this electronic configuration. Ni with atomic number 28, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2. Here 3d8, 4s2 is the outer electronic configuration of nickel atom, since 3d8, 4s2 resembles n minus 1 d to the power 1 to 10 dot ns2. Second, outer electronic configuration of central metal atom is equal to 3d8, 4s2. Third one, outer orbitals of central metal atom are equal to 3d and 4s. In nickel atom, 3d orbital containing 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 4s orbital containing 2 electrons 1 2. To accommodate 4 electron pairs donated by 4 carbonyl ligands, nickel atom uses its 4p orbital along with 3d and 4s orbital. Here 4p orbital of nickel atom has no electron. Fourth one, ligand and nature of ligand. In this compound, ligand is carbonyl. It is a neutral ligand. It is a strong ligand. This carbonyl ligand causes pairing of electrons. This carbonyl ligand causes pairing of 4s electrons with 3d electrons of central metal atom. Fifth one, outer orbitals of central metal atom in the presence of ligand. This electron goes to this orbital. At same time, this electron goes to this orbital. So these two unpaired electrons get paired due to the influence of strong field ligand, namely carbonyl. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 3d power 10, 4 is 0, since these two electrons move towards three d orbitals. Four p orbital has 0 electron. These are the outer orbitals of central metal atom in the presence of ligand. Then coordination number and hybridization. In a given compound, coordination number is 4. Then hybridization. 1 4s orbital of nickel atom mixed with 3 4p orbitals of same atom to give 4 equivalent sp3 hybridized orbitals. 3d orbital of nickel atom has 10 electrons. These 4 orbitals are called as sp3 hybridized orbitals. These 4 equivalent sp3 hybridized orbitals have no electrons. Then NiCO4 formation or complex formation. In a given compound, number of ligands is 4. Each ligand donate a pair of electron to the central metal atom to form a coordinate covalent bond between itself and central metal atom. CO donates a pair of electrons to the central metal atom. CO or second CO donates a pair of electron to the central metal atom. Third CO donates a pair of electron to the central metal atom. Fourth CO donates a pair of electron to the central metal atom. Thus, NiCO4 complex is formed. Then, geometry of the complex. Geometry of NiCO4 complex is tetrahedral since sp3 hybridization. Then, magnetic property of the complex. In this complex, the number of unpaired electron is 0. In this complex, the number of unpaired electron is 0. So, magnetic property of this complex is diamagnetic. Last one, spin only magnetic moment. We know that mu s, it represents spin only magnetic moment of the given complex, is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bm. Bm means Bohr magneton. In this formula, n represents number of unpaired electron. In this formula, n represents number of unpaired electron. In this compound, number of unpaired electron is 0. Therefore, n is equal to 0. Hence, magnetic moment of NiCO4 complex is 0. Second example, NiCN4 minus 2 ion. In this complex ion, Ni is a central metal atom. Cn is a ligand. It is a negative ligand. Its charge is -1. Number 4 represents coordination number. -2 represents net charge on the complex. First one, central metal atom. In a given complex ion, the central metal atom is nickel. We know that net charge on the complex is equal to oxidation number of central atom plus number of ligand into charge on the ligand. By using this formula, we can find out the oxidation number of the central atom in a given complex. In this complex ion, net charge is -2. Oxidation number of the central atom in this case is unknown, so it is taken as X, plus number of ligand in this complex ion is 4 into charge on the ligand is -1, since Cn whole to the power -1. This -1 represents charge of this ligand. -2 is equal to X plus, -2 is equal to X minus 4. -2 plus 4 is equal to X, therefore X is equal to +2. It represents the oxidation number of the central atom. Second one, electronic configuration of outer electronic configuration of central metal ion. Is equal to (3d power 8 4s power 0). Third one, outer orbitals of central metal ion, 3d and 4s. 3d orbital of Na2 plus ion has 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4s orbital of Na plus 2 ion has no electron. In this complex ion, coordination number is 4 to accommodate 4 electron pairs donated by 4 Cn minus ligands. The central metal ion uses its 4p vacant orbitals. Along with 3d and 4s orbitals. Fourth one, ligand and nature of ligand. In a given complex ion, ligand is Cn minus ion. Nature of ligand is strong or strong field ligand. This strong field ligand causes pairing of unpaired electrons in 3d orbital of Ni plus 2 ion. Outer orbitals of central metal ion in the presence of ligand. This unpaired electron goes to this orbital. So this unpaired electron gets paired in the presence of strong field ligand, namely Cn minus ion. Then coordination number and hybridization. It is a given complex ion. In this complex ion, 4 is a coordination number. Then hybridization. Hybridization is dsp2. One vacant 3d orbital of Ni plus 2 ion mixed with one 4s orbital and 3 4p orbitals of same Ni plus 2 ion. One vacant 3d orbital of Ni plus 2 ion mixed with one 4s orbital and 2 4p orbitals of same Ni plus 2 ion to give 4 equivalent dsp2 hybridized orbitals. Here this vacant 4pz orbital is omitted. Then Ni Cn4 minus 2 ion formation 3d power 8. These are 4 equivalent dsp2 hybridized orbitals. These 4 vacant dsp2 hybridized orbitals of Ni plus 2 ion have a tendency to accommodate pair of electrons donated by ligands. In this complex ion, ligand is Cn minus ion. Number of ligand is 4. So each Cn minus ion donates a pair of electron to the Ni plus 2 ion to form a coordinate bond between itself and Ni plus 2 ion or central metal ion. Thus, NiCN4 minus 2 ion is formed. Geometry. Geometry of NiCN4 minus 2 ion is square planar. Since dsp2 hybridization, magnetic property, number of unpaired electron that present in a given complex is equal to 0. Number of unpaired electrons that present in a given complex is 0. So the given complex exhibits diamagnetic property. Last one, magnetic moment. Mu s is equal to root of n into n plus 2 bm. Here mu s represents spin only magnetic moment of the given complex. N represents number of unpaired electrons in a given complex. Bm represents Bohr magneton. Here n is equal to 0 since in a given complex no unpaired electrons. Since n is equal to 0, the magnetic moment of this complex is also 0 or 0.